Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon to all of my viewers and all of my subscribers on YouTube. It is a beautiful day in which to excel. It's Angel from Angel's Car Reviews. I am back with another car review. Today's in-depth review, I present you a very in-depth tour and walk-around look at the 2022 Hyundai Tucson. And this could be a full in-depth tour of the Hyundai Tucson. I'm going to start the engine as well as pop the hood and show underneath the engine bay. And throughout the video, I will also how everything works inside the vehicle, including the headlights as well as the hazard lights throughout the documentary. And so, without further ado, let's go and hop on in. We'll start the motor and let it run. The Tucson does have a more start of the do, like the button, and hold this button down. As you can see, the 2022 Tucson does have a more start. The Tucson does have a smart key access system. I have the key fob in my pocket. As you can see, the vehicle is unlocked of the do. Tap the button to lock it, and then after 1 second, put your hand behind the door handle, or tap the button again. There's no touch sensor. And if you press the button twice, it'll unlock all the doors. It's a white pork exterior color. With black cloth interior. Power driver seat with power recline, and do have power lumbar as well. The Tucson does have push button ignition. All you do is just keep the key fob in the vehicle, put your foot on the brake, and hit a button to start the engine. Nice. It's got a 3-spoke rubber steering wheel. Very smooth power steering. As you can see, the steering wheel is very smooth. Easy power steering. Coming to the transmission, you have a 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shiftability, with a plus and minus on the shifter. And it does have a backup camera as well. When you put the vehicle into reverse, a backup camera does appear when it's reversed. This car has 110 miles on it. Okie dokie. Let's turn on the hazards. I will turn on the headlights. The headlights are automatic. Both the front windows are automatic. And let's check out the exterior, shall we? Here's your Nexon tires. There are alloy wheels. Fuel cap release and it's lockable. The car is in fantastic shape for 2022. It's not bad for a 1-year-old car. This car was made in April of 2021. So this is an early 2022. Lock with a switch, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Inside here, this is the seat position. And you also do have a manual tilt wheel, which is not telescopic as well. Alright, let's pop the engine bay. Under the hood, you will find it's a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine with 185 horsepower and 182 pound-feet of torque. There's your battery, your washer fluid, and your oil. Two signal mirrors. Electronic parking brake. Alright, let's go ahead and see how she revs. Sweet. Not bad. Over here, you have your tachometer, your speedometer, your fuel gauge, and your temperature gauge. To the left of the steering wheel, turn signals. To the right, windshield wipers, low speed, and high speed. And you also do have your rear wiper back here. This is the rear wiper. Bolstering extensions off to the side. You do have your voice command, your Bluetooth telephone controls, volume controls on the steering wheel, and you also do have your cruise control as well. Coming to the center stack, you do have your AM/FM radio with Sirius XM satellite radio.
You can watch some of your favorite Sirius XM shows with Sirius XM Video.
Dual zone automatic climate control, fan speed, your temperature, different zones, front defrost, rear defrost, auto recycling, AC, seek track. You can go to all menus. This is the home screen button. You can go to settings. You can go to Wi-Fi. You can also go to climate as well, which is pretty cool. As you can see, it's all there. You can also go to telephone. Cancel. Alright, so there you go. Cup holders, storage. Let me just put the seat back because it's too close to the steering wheel because I don't have space for the back seat too. But what else? You do have your little storage cubby down there. You do have your power outlet 12V, 2 USBs. There's no heated seats in the Tucson, but you can get that if you want. A sunroof is also an option on the Tucson for higher and trim levels. If you get a limited trim, you can get the sunroof as well. Interior map lights. Huh, the back too. Incredible. All the lights work in this car. Amazing. There we go. You do have your traction control button, your brightness instrument cluster, and what else? That's pretty much about it. I'm going to see here. Oh, I almost forgot. And you also do have your downhill assist. Didn't know that. Heated seats for the driver and the passenger. Very, very, very nice. I like this car. Alright. So, let's go and shut down the Tucson. Let's start one more time to see the gauge cluster. System check. Okie dokie. Let's check out the back seat. Oh, don't forget to mention, I gotta grab the key fob with me. Now let's go check out the back seat, shall we? And to fold the seats down, there is a lever. You do have your power dimming rearview mirror, do my pockets, rear air vents, 2 USBs, armrest with some cup holders, interior map light, nice. What a great vehicle. Alright. Don't forget to mention your back windows and the cup and the bottle holder. Alright, check out the trunk, shall we? Ugh. Check that out. What do you guys think? The trunk is pretty clean. Looks like a brand new car, eh? Back here, you do have your you do have another power outlet down here too. And I think this is for the flashlight. I'm not too sure. Oh, I think the seats are folded down too. Cargo cover. The Tucson is like brand new. You know what I mean? Just make sure the license plate doesn't fall down. Windows. Good size glove box. The 2022 Tucson. Always depend on Hyundai. Well, guys, hope you guys enjoyed it. My full in-depth tour and walk-around look of the 2022 Hyundai Tucson. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the like button if you like this video. This is Angel's Car Review signing off. Thanks for watching and goodbye.